Hello students, the topic that we are going to learn today is forming numbers using the given digits. Since we are learning about the 4-digit numbers, so here we will learn how to form the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using the given digits. There are certain rules regarding the same. Rule to form the smallest number using the given digits. First rule is arrange the digits in ascending order. Whichever 4 digits are given, we are going to arrange them first in ascending order, that is from small to the big. If one of the digits among the given digits is 0, then write it in the second place, that is you have to place the 0 at the hundreds place. If we place the 0 in the beginning, then the number that we will obtain will not be a 4-digit number, it would be a 3-digit number. Hence, 0 is always put at the second place. Then arrange the other 3 digits in ascending order and fill in the remaining places. Let us learn this. A question. Form the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 4, 5, 9 and 0. Here we are given 4 digits, that is 4, 5, 9 and 0. So the first step is we will write these digits in ascending order, that is 0 is the smallest, then greater than 0 is 4, greater than 4 is 5 and greater than 5 is 9. Now 0 at the beginning of the number will give us a 3-digit number, hence 0 will be placed at the hundreds place. So we will replace 0's place by 4. Hence the smallest 4-digit number formed using the above digits is, first we will write the places, that is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now the number greater than 0 is 4, so we will place 4 at the thousands place. Then we will put 0 at the hundreds place, that is the second place. After 0 you will put 5 and then the greatest number 9. So the smallest 4-digit number formed using the given digits is 4059. Now let us know the rule to form the greatest 4-digit number using the given digits. Children, in the smallest number, we had arranged the number in the ascending order. So to form the greatest number, we will arrange the numbers in the descending order, that is from big to small. So the first step is arrange the given digits in descending order, that is from big to small. The next step is place the numbers starting from highest place value one after the other. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Form the greatest 4-digit number using the given digits. The first question is, the digits given are 3, 2, 7 and 1. The first step we will follow is that we will arrange the given digits in the descending order. Among the 4, the greatest digit is 7, followed by 3, 2, followed by the smallest number, that is 1. So the greatest 4-digit number formed using the given 4 digits is, we will write the place values first, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, and arrange the numbers as given in the descending order, that is 7 at the thousands place, 3 at the hundreds place, 2 at the tens place and 1 at the ones place. So the greatest number formed using the given digits is 7321. Come to another question. The digits given are 2, 8, 0 and 9. The same step will be followed. We will arrange the given digits in the descending order. So the descending order for the above given digits is 9, 8, 2 and 0. Now write the place values first, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. We will place 9 at the thousands place, 8 at the hundreds place, 2 at the tens place and 0 at the ones place. So the greatest number formed using the given digits is 9820. Thank you.